used for drilling into wood, steel and concrete. With an all-ball bearing construction, rigid body for a picture of your better half on the wall. A lampshade that lights up a special evening. A poster of your favorite rock star from the 80s that keeps you young at heart. A fancy shower that rejuvenates your soul. Your little one's first portrait of his daddy and mummy on your mahogany rack. These trivial things are what makes those brick walls a home. And there is always something you want to add, move or repair in that home of yours. Now, to avoid making every tiny task of fixing and repairing a marathon of hunting for a professional, fixing time, waiting for him to show up and paying him insanely, get yourself a Bosch home kit. An all-inclusive answer to your day-to-day household decor, repairing and plumbing. The kit has all that you will ever need. First and foremost, a 500-watt powerful drill gun, used for drilling into wood, steel and concrete. With an all-ball bearing construction, rigid body for long life of simple and effective usage. The hammer mode and smooth function ensures stress-free work not just for men but for women too. The powerful drill has multiple functions like clock and counterclockwise rotation, speed selection and lock mechanism, making this tool a very handy screwdriver as well. With that comes along a wide range of accessories that lets you take care of any problem in a jiffy. Accompanied are 3 types of drill bits: concrete bits, wood bits, steel bits. These drill bits are accompanied with screws and nylon plugs, and for those screwing applications, a 10-piece star, hex and minor screwdriver bits come very handy. And all this in a compact, easy to carry, access, store and durable case. Bosch Home Toolkit's not just a solution to home decor, repair and plumbing. It's also a way to make your life easier. Bosch Home Toolkit. Exactly what you need.